Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I check all things reselling, whether it be online, in person, as well as some positivity and motivation and a little bit of Facebook Reels content. So today's video is going to be a thredup unboxing. I decided to purchase a new box with them. I've been eyeballing their men's boxes, but I haven't got them just because I typically do not sell men's. But since I don't sell men's, I'm not really going through the men's section normally, which I know people are like, why not? I don't know. I don't like selling men's. I don't know the brands, and I guess it's time for me to start learning that too, because I've slowly been learning, hard goods, electronics, clothing, women's clothing, little bit of children's clothing. So I figured why not get this box and it can kind of teach me a little bit about men's. I got the 25-pound box for $110, but I did sell recently to them. Okay, my cats are playing if you hear them, but I did sell recently to them. So I had a little bit of a credit on there, and it ended up being just a little bit over $100. I think like $100.68, something like that. So yeah, I got 25 pounds for about $100 even. And I am so excited to do this unboxing with you. I will say, spoiler, I did open the box ahead of time. It came in later than expected, and last night while I was watching TV, the box was staring at me. And I say staring at me, if you're a reseller, you understand. I was antsy and I wanted to open it up because, yeah, I don't sell men, so I was curious what the heck was inside. And I just want to share what I got with you guys. But before I do so, if you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon. It'll just alert you when I put out new content. And if you find the content interesting, please make sure that you do hit that thumbs up. It does help me, and I just appreciate all of you so much for watching. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to save the best for semi-last just because, yeah, I want to make it I don't want to make it too much of a spoiler for you guys and share the best first. But a lot of stuff was new with tags. I was so excited. So first I got these polo tees. I will say they probably didn't take any of this just because thredup doesn't sell men's. So what is more than likely going on is a wife, a girlfriend, whatever, is sending in men's stuff, and they don't list men's stuff. So they just directly either ship it back if they had purchase recovery, or they just put it in these mystery boxes. So I got these Polo Ralph Lauren tees, and actually it's my fiance's size, so these will be his. But that was a great find. I mean, $42, heck yeah. I am not familiar with this brand. I don't know if it's Hookah. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. There's some wool socks. It said pure wool. And then some more socks. And again, these are his size, so these will be going for him. Hey, who can't use some more socks and t-shirts, especially white ones. I feel like I go through those like crazy. All right, this is a Brooks Brother tie. I was not excited to see ties, that's for sure. But yeah, Brooks Brothers is not a bad brand. Ted Baker isn't bad either. I guarantee those will go for about $10 to $20. If these were a better, more different print, I'm sure it would get more, but I don't really sell ties at all. Joe's a Bank, which, just Bank, which I think this is sold at Nordstrom. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, again, just plain prints, but at least they don't have stains, so I'll be able to make some kind of money on them. This is just a Tommy Hilfiger button down. And I will say some of this I'm going to go ahead and just take to Plato's Closet simply because I don't want to take the time to list it. I mean, I do have somebody who does my listings for me, but yeah, I just don't really want to take the time. All right, these were kind of an exciting find because I don't believe these are men's. These are Michael Kors dress pants. Yeah, 12H, 29W. I do not think these are men's. I think these are women's dress pants. So I don't know. I might go ahead and just send them but take them to Style Encore. Style Encore doesn't really take dress clothes, but maybe these being Michael Kors, they have a small selection of dress clothes. And I do not list dress pants. I don't know if it's because I just don't like them. I mean, you could tell me in the comments below if you sell them, but I don't really sell dress pants because they never really sell for me. And if I'm paying someone to list for me, I really don't want to pay them if I don't think it's going to sell, you know? I just rather take it in and do it that way. All right, this is an Adidas pop over. Now, I will say this one had a couple pulls on it, but it was something that could be fixed, and it's really cute. I don't know if it would fit me. Not right now, obviously, since I'm pregnant, but yeah. If it fits me, I might keep that bad boy too, because it's kind of cute. All right, this is a Brooks Brothers. And Brooks Brothers is not a bad brand. But again, it's just a plain Jane. I'll have to steam it if I list it myself. All right, this is a weatherproof. Just a heavy-duty jacket. This was probably most of the weight right here, which stinks. I mean, I don't think weatherproof is that great of a brand. But again, as long as there's no stains or rips, I'm going to take it directly into Plato's. Style doesn't take men's, so it will have to be Plato's. But Plato's Closet right now in my area is looking for men's stuff. I think they always are looking for men's stuff because it's really hard for men to go in there and sell. Well, they just don't. All right, this is just a carbon, which isn't like a yay brand, but this will go into Plato's. This is a nice find, Robert Graham, and it was an extra large. I mean, to me, it seems like a small extra large, but I don't think Robert Graham makes kids clothing, so I think that's gonna be a men's extra large. But once I do the measurements, well, not I, once my lister does the measurements, I will see if it's a men's or a kid's. All right, the North Face. Just a plain shirt. There was no cracking on it, which was great. And there's no cracking on the back because it had this too. It's called a flash dry, which is perfect right now because I believe that's more summery flash dry. All right, this one is Ideology, but it's new tags. So Ideology is not a great brand, but I mean, it's not a horrible brand. Being new with tags, I may sell it myself, you know, because if I take it into Plato's, they're only going to give me like $3 to $4, if that. But I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll update you. Lucky brand. And these were a decent size. They were 34 by 32. They're 221 original straight. But they're in really good condition. And I really like the wash of them. So one thing with jeans, even men's jean, is check the crotch area. Make sure they zip. And then obviously check the backs to make sure there's no wear on the backs. I, again, do not pick up anything that has wear on the bottoms. I find it super hard to sell those. And if you do sell them, it's going to be at a lower point. All right, these are Joe's A. Banks. Bank. I just said that again. But they're new with tags. And it's a dress pant. I know I said I don't list dress pants, but if Plato's don't take these, or if comps look good, I'll probably just go ahead and just list the men's ones because I think men's dress pants might do a little bit better, especially being new with tags than women's. Let me know in the comments, you know, if you sell men's and you're familiar, let me know because I don't sell men. All right, this is Ideology again, and this was new with tags. I'm telling you guys, I got a really good box. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the best item here. So I dug in there, and I was like, is that fur? And I saw one shoe, and then I'm like, wait a minute. Is that really Nike Airs? I don't know the exact name, but I think my fiance said they're like Scottie Pippen or whatever. And I looked up comps and immediately was like, yay, I just hit gold. And look, they're in basically new condition. And more than likely to fit in the box, they actually just threw away the original box, which really stinks because these would have sold much better with the original box. But being that they are in such good condition, hey, whatever. And they looked large, which made me sad because I was like, hopefully they're super large or they're small enough that they fit me. But they're 9.5 in men's. If they were 12s, they would be about $400 to $500, but being 9.5, the recent sold was around $300, which I say only $300. That's amazing, like, fine. I mean, I only paid $100 for this box because of my credits or whatever. So yeah, this pays for my box and makes me a profit. So everything else that I sell is just ka-ching, ka-ching. All right, so enough of the being excited for y'all. There's still good stuff though, so don't cut it off yet. All right, this is a Columbia. Now, I would be more excited about this one if it was a larger size, but it's just a small. And is it? No, it's men's. So it's just a small in men's, but again, I probably will take that to Plato's. And being that it's Columbia, I thought I saw it ripped. Being that it's Columbia and a men's jacket, I think I might be able to get $5 to $8. If you want me to update you and let you know how much I made, I'll keep the bags separate because I can't really take those to style. So, I can't take them to style. They're not going to take them. But I can keep them separate so that I can get a price out of just those items of the men's. And then I can update you guys. All right, this is a Nautica, and it's new with tags also for $59.50, and it's from Macy's. So, this is a summary item. It's a purple. I don't know if the screen is showing it or not. It's kind of hazy out right now. And then a men's Adidas Clima Light. So this is a great summer one. I believe this is like a perfect one for golfing, but again, I don't know. It's an extra large, good size too. I don't really want smaller sizes if I get men's, that's for sure, because I feel like they take forever. All right, this is J. Crew Stanton, and this is a 34 waist with a 9-inch inseam. And these are cute. I mean, I don't know what style, preppy style? I'm not sure. All right, this is a J. Crew jacket. Again, I'll probably just steam it and list it myself. I may take it into Plato's, but more than likely, I'll list it myself. I mean, it's kind of a nice coat. Now, this next one is a Eddie Bauer, and it is lined, but it's a smaller size, so I'm going to take this one into Plato's and hope they take it. But it kind of looks like it's an outdated style too, so I doubt they take it, but we'll see. All right, and then this J. Crew, just button down. I may list myself. I'll just see what the lady says who lists for me if she sells J. Crew, because she sells a ton of men's, you know. I'm like, dang, girl, you do so good. All right, guys, that was it. Give me 2 seconds so I can count this, and I'll be right back. All right, it ended up being 26 items, so yay! I mean, the shoes alone pays for everything, so that means it's 25 items left to make even more profit. So I jumped the gun and went ahead and bought another men's. I mean, let's pray there's some more Airs in there. Nike Airs. I think they're Air Jordans, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. My fiance, again, is a sneakerhead, not me. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to buy a specific box, because they have all different ones, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm willing to try whichever one. I really, really want to get like the 200-pound mixed clothing one. It's expensive though, and I'm kind of worried that I'll just get what I got in the 50-pound. Did I buy the 40 or 50-pound? I bought the 40 or 50-pound one. It wasn't like the lowest, but it was the second one up. And it was okay. I mean, I found 2 Patagonias, which covered the box. I sold those pretty much instantly. And then there was a couple other designer pieces that I found. So it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't like, yay, let me get like 5 more. But I am wondering if I get the 200-pound one, if I'll get a good deal. I saw someone on YouTube that actually got a Valentina, I think is what it was. And they sold it on thredup for like $800 and something. I'm like, why couldn't I get that box? So honestly, it's just a mystery, guys. You gotta try it and see it. You don't know. It's like the lottery, you know? I'd rather do this than get the scratch off because I feel like there's more chances to win. You just have to put in a little bit of work to make that money back. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you found this interesting. And yeah, thanks for bearing with me. Have a great day.